In the business report, the Royalton Chic Jamaica Paradise Cove adults-only all-inclusive resort is set to open in the second half of next year. The development will be the first branded resort in Jamaica and the sixth Royalton hotel on the island, adding 345 rooms and suites, including Diamond Club luxury offerings. The beachfront property will be located about an hour from Sangster International Airport and 40 minutes from Ian Fleming International Airport. Sterling Investments Limited (SIL) is highlighting its dividend reinvestment program DRIP and complimentary share purchase program. DRIP allows shareholders to automatically reinvest their dividends into additional SIL shares, effectively compounding their investments without the need for manual transactions and high fees. Instead of keeping cash and sitting on the sidelines, investors can steadily increase their holdings, creating a disciplined path to long-term growth. CSPP complements this by enabling shareholders to purchase additional shares once every quarter directly from SIL at prevailing market prices. Both programs are entirely free of brokerage and transaction fees, ensuring that every dollar invested goes directly into building wealth. Let's take a look at the market highlights with Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending September 29, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 6,593,422 units traded, representing 15.67% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, Jamaican dollar shares of 3,469,801 units traded, representing 10.59% of market sales volume. Microfinance company Dollar Financial Services Limited shares of 2,596,272 units traded, representing 7.93% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 29, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $59.48 million purchased and US $55.53 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.59 per dollar, selling the US at $161.06 and buying the US at $159.47. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.32 per transaction, with selling at $116.11 and buying at $114.79. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.23 in profits, with selling at $214.99 and buying at $211.76. For the credit report tip of the day, ambition is powerful. But when you walk into a bank, ambition alone doesn't open doors. Your credit report does. It's the first test of whether your dream is ready to move from vision board to funding table. I've seen it happen. A client with unstoppable drive was turned away for business financing. She didn't quit. She got to work, cleaned up her credit, and within 18 months, the bank said yes. Her business now thrives because she took action. When you are building something from nothing and moving from financial resilience to beyond in your financial life, for many professional women over the age of 45, building wealth doesn't mean having to choose between stability and entrepreneurship. You can do both strategically. A full-time job provides steady income, benefits, and security. Seasonal work, selling insurance, helping with taxes, or closing real estate deals, offers high earning potential during peak periods, which can be reinvested into savings, debt reduction, or asset building. Here's why this combination works. Diversified income streams reduce financial risk. It increases earning potential beyond a single paycheck, allows skill testing in new industries without leaving your stable job, opens doors to long-term wealth building ventures, expands networks and professional credibility. Professional women over 45 bring discipline, real-world experience, and relationship skills that make seasonal income streams thrive. Pairing career stability with entrepreneurial drive creates momentum, not just income. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.